everyone, my name is Mayan and today we are going to do the easy fair mission. So let's start this video and let me take in my hand a pistol and let's sit in our Lamborghini. I will go outside. Let's go and do the easy fair mission. And guys, in my last video I told every cheat which I have and some more which I don't have, but I used to use in my old one, where I made a video of following a police car that was in my father's account. So in that I use every cheat which can give us a car. We also have Bunchies cheat, but it doesn't spawn. And guys, see, never wanted disabled. Then God mode disabled. And let's do it.
Forget about it. Shut up. But he's a sir. Talking about sir.
Oh, hey, Pico.
Where's Rome?
Good question.
Hey, Yoko, that cousin isn't here. Go get that book. What? They're fucking cook! Come on, okay, you run. God, you can steer me. Out for one eyeball.
See the map behind him.
He's a fucking creep.
Same map which we have while playing the game when we pause it.
You walked in from 1985? Excellent. Now stop fucking staring. I mean, I know it. And everything. Hey, man.
About time.
What's going on?
Roman came now.
You tell me. That's aftershave. What is that? Sex pest? No. It's where is my fucking money? I had it. I had some of it. Then those Albanians who sent you a deal with Ken and smashed my computer. So it's my fault? Yeah, I didn't say. Anyway, Nico tell me. I'll start the job. Then we can become a war. Then we teach them a real lesson. Is that so? I tell you. Well, you don't know. Maybe you
Callers came from someone.
The phone's ringing.
Hey. Yeah. Okay. No, I can't do it. My cousin will do it. Yes, he can. No, he's not a cop.
See how Roman is with big hairs and a hairstyle, and see how Nico is with small hairs and no hairstyle.
Whatever. What was this all about?
Glad told him to get him a fucking book.
Guys, I want to tell you one good news, that which computer we had, we are going to bring it from my mother and father's office. And guys, our Lamborghini is here. And guys, I will show you the interior. This is the steering wheel. It doesn't move because I told you in the last video that GTA4 doesn't has first person. It's a mod. And see this. The windows are black, I don't know. And we don't have a head. Let me go back to third person. And we'll see who is it. I don't know, I didn't hear it. And guys, when that computer will come, I have one game in that. When I was small, I used to play. It's a racing game. We will play that game also. It will be new series, and GTA 5 also. I will put GTA 5 in it, and I will make a gameplay series of GTA 5 also. Okay. Slowly, easy. This car is very slippery and hard to control. And I have some mods also. Super brake. Super brake, I have a mod. Super brake, then car speed up, car slow down, unlimited ammo, and all that stuff. Why is he going backwards?
You take me over to
F2.
Masterson Street? Masterson Street.
And guys, I will not use this wanted down
Really gonna need to get this car fixed up.
cheat code of when we can just remove our wanted levels. I will not use that cheat. I promise. No. I will only use the health to repair our car and get our health back. But we are not going to fight now with the police. So let me on my god mode. Because if we just go out of the car and crash and go out of the car and die, and here my cars are there because I have to go slowly to my favorite cars. Lamborghini Hurricane. It is not my one of the favorite cars, but I like it. It is very small, one of the smallest Lamborghinis. I like that car for a small look. My Bugatti Veyron. It is one of my dream cars. So let's go. Okay, run. I just took him. Let's go this side because behind my cars are there. Bugatti Veyron. The area the cops search in the present. Have to go. I will go here. No. Okay. I have unlimited ammos because of this sheet of ammos and that. I've given it in my last video's description. Go watch that video and read the description. But I will not write in this video because yesterday it took me half an hour to write everything. Okay. There's a police, but he's behind. Okay.
I don't think they know where we are. Don't attract any unnecessary attention.
Okay, this. I'll go here down.
They're gone.
Yes. You have lost your wanted levels. Take Jermaine to the Gibson Street. I don't know what. Let me see how he looks. Where is
Like
he?
every other chump who gets off a boat here, I thought things might be more exciting. This is just
no.
the beginning. Seems I need to sort out my cousin's life before I can work on
Nice
my own.
happened that cops are gone.
He appears to owe money to half of Hove Beach. I got
I'll just do a trick here.
but this asshole plan. He has his hooks into him as well.
I'll just use super speed. 3, 2, 1. Okay. And super brake. Slowly. Or else the car would have exploded. So how to go out? No. Go. Go behind. Yes. Okay, here's the exit, but a car won't fit, I think. And the doors won't open too. No. A car has fitted. I thought our car has been stuck there. Then we have had to do the mission again. Here's a paint spray. It is his paint spray shop. What is happening to our guy? You can use the paint spray to clear your wanted levels as long as that. I didn't read it. It will. So guys, if you like this video, we got $100. I have already 4 million because of one cheat code. But guys, if you like this video, like, share, subscribe, and put the notification bell. Guys, I am calling Roman. Guys, the next video will be on another mission, but I don't know which mission. I just forgot the mission name which I have done. So let's I will check on YouTube and do it. And guys, I forgot to do that link. I didn't leave a link because of how fast I wanted to do that mission. I wanted to upload that video. So bye guys.